Your time starts now.
Hi. Imagine you're playing live. Your hands are busy. You want to be in the moment jamming by yourself or with your friends. You don't have a drummer or any other MIDI instrument you want to put in, and you want to play your song. You start playing at your natural tempo, and then you start bobbing your head. And then that's where we come in. We're a team of Fangyi, Kaining, Arnaud, and myself.
Thank you. So what would you do with this other musician? In fact, you would like this musician to just look at you and understand what you want, be in the same rhythm, in the same tempo. That's not something computer can do right now, just real musician can do. And when you're alone with your DAW and you really want this bit of rhythm to come in, it should come in sync with you. So we developed from the camera a system to recognize the tempo just from your head. So you can start bobbing your head and you can control, in fact, the entrance of the music this way. Sound on.
Wait, should we start it? Wait,
So no battery, and she's got another head.
and it comes in.
At the same tempo.
That you were bobbing your head and it starts playing with you. Should I show the other one?
The next one.
Okay. Oh, no. Okay.
Okay, next one.
And we could just this is another example. He started bobbing his head and it started. Oh God.
Okay.
So yeah, you can play with just fully like being in the moment, no screens necessarily at this point, and you don't have to go back and like change the rhythm that you want your backing track to be to. We also wanted to include like non-musician and other people who don't necessarily play music, so we have sensory, like, yeah, it can detect motor, like motor movement. That's with Magenta AI, and so that you can also contribute. Kids or people with limited musical expression can help out, and music is originally here to like bring people together. So yeah, and yeah, there's like future things that we can also do with this. Maybe in the future your audience can measure the BPM of a performance. There's other ways to control the DAW without motor movement, and yeah, musicians, yeah.
RhythmHeads. Thank you.
Thank you.